our realization of death is one of the biggest reasons for many things that we do. I'm not sure where I read or heard this, but pondering about it, it was very right. Because if we had an idea that तुम कभी मरने नहीं वाले, you will not do many things. When it comes to right now, you are like, okay, you are going to get old. You are in your 20s, you are in your 30s, you have to earn or you have to do something so that you get an income. So that you can maybe rest when it comes to your 70s or 60s or even 50s for that matter. But if it was a case where you were never going to die, you were never going to age, I'm not sure if you would ever do a job that's consistent, that's certain. You might like uncertainty. Because अगर मुझे पता है कि I have the money for 1 month, I'm happy because that's the span of 1 or 2 months is very less compared to life of immortality. If I'm going to live maybe just taking a number 1000 years, what's 1 year of it? It's just a 0.1%. So हमारी पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होता है जब हम मान लेते हैं कि दैट यू आर नेवर गोइंग टू डाई. Even a lot of things for that matter. Like you would have experienced every type of experience there is. You will never limit yourself to XYZ things. You will never overthink if you had no concept of death. And coming to immortality as a concept, or coming to attaining immortality, one of the best analogies I had or I read, I'm not sure where again, is imagine a rabbit. Okay? Imagine a rabbit which is holding a board with our life expectancy written on it. And with the passage of each year, the rabbit also jumps 1 year. If it's 2020, the life expectancy is 67. When it's 2021, the rabbit jumps to 68, then 69. So in that particular sense, a person who is at the age of maybe 61, 62 will never reach the life expectancy, because with increase in his or her age, life expectancy is also increasing. That is the best analogy for immortality. अगर मैं ऐसा कर ले, then immortality will in a certain sense achieved. कि तुम कभी old age से मरोगे नहीं. Maybe you will die of accident or something. And immortality as a concept is very nice. कि जब तुम सोच रहे हो कि तुम कभी मरोगे नहीं, you can do XYZ things, you can experience everything there is to experience, फलाना फलाना ढिंकाना. But the biggest problems or the biggest flaw in our own understanding of immortality is something that one character from the series Lucifer says, that he's immortal. So everyone's like, oh, you're immortal, why do you want to die? But he's like, it's not very pleasing to see every person you love die when you are not dying. See everyone you love aging when you are not aging. Understand that after a while I have experienced every phenomena there is, or every experience there is on earth. उसके बाद क्या? Just it's boring. If you imagine your favorite thing, your favoriteest thing, there's a limit to it. You say your favorite movie is X, watch X 10 times. You won't watch it 11th time in most of the cases. You say you like to eat something, you like pizza, eat pizza for 1 month. Every meal you eat a pizza. You'll start to get bored. Because we like things because they are exclusive. अगर एक चीज़ को तुम 10 बार एक ही दिन में कर दोगे, you will start to lose interest in it. And that's a problem I have had for a long while. If I like something, I do it a lot. I do it again and again and again. And after since I'm like, okay, that's boring. If I like a song, I will listen to the song maybe 5, 6, 7 times a day. Every time I'm listening, that's the song I would play. But after a week maximum, I'm like, okay, that song's boring. I won't listen to that again. Because वो एक्सक्लूसिविटी जा चुकी है जब मैं एक ही गाने को अपनी मर्जी में 10 बार सुन रहा हूँ एक दिन में. So the concept of death and even immortality is or helps us, our conscious mind, to believe कि यार ये है, there's something I cannot control, which will just stop everything. So मुझे कुछ ना कुछ करना है. Even if you think about it, although we have realization of death, although we know that at the end there's going to be nothing, हम जैसे बोलते हैं क्या लेके आए थे क्या लेके जाएंगे, and yet we are so intended कि हमें materialistic चीज़ें चाहिए, right? That you are in a situation where you are like, okay, I know I'm going to die and I'm not going to take anything, but I want XYZ things. बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू एन्जॉय व्हेन आई लिव. और अगर तुम्हारा कॉन्सेप्ट ये होता है कि यार तुम 100 साल नहीं 1000 साल जियोगे, would you have the same experience? If you have ever not thought about it, think about it now.